Today we'll see chapter 8.2. We'll start. First one, evaluate the following. What is given is sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60 is given. And we know one thing, sine and cos, sine of 60 and cos of 30 have the equal values. That is, sine 60 is going to be root 3 by 2. So then the cos 30 is going to be root 3 by 2. These both have the same values. Parallelly, 45 will be, for sine and cos, it will be 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. It is the same. And for tan, it is going to be 1. And we'll see only this 45 degrees now. And for cot, it is going to be 1. For cosecant and secant, it is going to be root 2 and root 2 because it is the inverse of these. So for 45, sine is going to be 1 by root 2, cos is going to be 1 by root 2. Then tan 45 is going to be 1. This is root 2 and 1. Okay, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1. Root 2, 1. This is the values for 45. Now if you take for 30 degrees, sine 30 is going to be 1 by 2 and cos 30 is going to be, cos 60 is going to be 1 by 2. These both have the same values. Parallelly, sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So if you remember one side, it's more than enough to remember the other sides. This is going to be, tan is going to be 1 by root 3 and this is going to be root 3. We know all the other functions, right? If we know sine and cos, we can determine tan, cosecant, secant and cot, because tan is sine by cos, cosecant is 1 by sine, secant is 1 by cos and cot is 1 by tan. So we'll try to remember sine and cos only. Sine 0 is going to be 0. Sine 0 is 0. And so if 0 degree, sine of 0 is 0, cos of 90 is going to be 0. Have the same values. 0, 0. If cos of 0 is going to be 1, sine 90 is going to be 1. So 0, 1, 1 and 0. That's it. And if sine 30 is going to be 1 by 2, cos 60 is going to be 1 by 2. If sine 60 is going to be root 3 by 2, cos 30 is going to be root 3 by 2. So 1, 1. Sine 90 is going to be 1 and cos of 0 is going to be 1. It has the same values. So it is enough if you remember only these things. Only one row if you remember, you can determine all the other values. Sine 0 is 0, 30 is half, 45 degree is 1 by root 2, 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and 90 is going to be 1. We know this is just the inverse of this. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3, 1 by 2 and 0. It is just the inverse of this. So with this explanation, we'll move into first sine 60 and cos 30. What we saw now, sine 60 and cos 30 has the same value. Sine 30 and cos 60 has the same value. What is sine 30? We saw it as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into cos 60 has the same value, 1 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So we have the same values for both. Root and root will get cancelled and it is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 4 and the answer is 1. Whenever you derive any answer, place a box so that it gives a good presentation. We'll go to the second one. What is asked is 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sine square 60 degree. This is given. So we know tan 45. What is tan 45? Sine 45 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Correct? It is exactly the divisible value. So tan of 45 is 1. 1 square is again 1. Cos square 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And sine 60 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sine square 60. What is sine 60? Again root 3 by 2 the whole square. So it is 2 plus root and square will get cancelled. It is 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Cancel. So the value is going to be, answer is going to be 2. We're moving on to the third calculation. What is given is cos 45 degree divided by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees. So what is cos of 45? We saw it is 1 by root 2, the whole divided by secant 30. So secant 30 is the inverse of cos 30. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Correct? What is cosecant 30? 1 by sin 30. What is sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 is going to be just 2. So 1 by root 2, the whole divided by, if we do multiplication here, if we take the LCM for this, it is going to be 2 plus 2 root 3, the whole divided by root 3. Correct? So which equals 1 by root 2 into root 3. Divided by 2 plus 2 root 3, which is nothing but root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. 3 into 2, 6. 2 root 6. So this is the answer. So if we take 2 in common, we'll get root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus root 6. This is the value we can derive. So next one, we'll shift to the fourth question. What is given is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60, the whole divided by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 degrees. So what is sin 30? We know it is 1 by 2 and tan 45 is 1. Cosecant 60 is the inverse of sin 60, that is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. That's all. It is just a simple calculation. And secant 30 is going to be 1 by cos 30. What is cos 30? We know that is root 3 by 2. So this is 2 by root 3. Plus cos 60 is going to be 1 by 2. Plus cot 45 is going to be 1. Tan 45 is 1. Therefore cot 45 is 1 by 1. Nothing but 1. That's all. We have substituted the values. It is just a simple substitution of values we are doing here, which equals, if you take 2 root 3 in common in the denominator, we have to multiply root 3. You all know here LCM and HCF methods. So by that we derive root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2, which is 4. So the whole divided by, again we'll take 2 root 3 in common. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So this both can be cancelled and we'll get root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 4. This can be written as root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by root 3. We can separate these values for each. Correct? Again, root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by, we can separate it like this easily, plus 2 root 3 by root 3, this by this, this by this and this by this, minus 4 by root 3 plus 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 by root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3, again minus 4 by root 3, then minus 4 by 2 root 3 minus 4 by 4. So this is cancel 1, root 2 root 3 cancel 2, minus 4 by root 3 will remain as such, 2 root 3 cancel 1, root 3 cancel 2, minus this can be written as 2 by root 3 minus 4 by root 3 minus again 2 by root 3 minus 1. So 1 and 1 would get cancelled, 2 plus 1 which is 5 minus 4 by root 3 minus 4 by root 3. We can add that. That is minus 2 times of 4 by root 3, then minus 2 times of 2 by root 3. So 5 minus 8 by root 3 minus 4 by root 3, which is equal to 5 minus 12 by root 3. It is not uncommon actually. 5 minus 12 by root 3. I think this is the maximum answer we can derive. 5 minus, or else we can take this LCM, which will be 5 root 3 minus 12 by root 3. This can be the maximum answer we can derive. Go to the fifth sum. What is given is 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So we are just going to substitute these values. Cos 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square plus 4 into secant square 30. What is secant 30? It is the inverse of cos 30. So it is 2 by root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This is 2 by root 3. The whole square minus 1 square divided by sin 30 is 1 by 2. So sin square 30 is 1 by 2 square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. That's all. We are just going to substitute the values. We have substituted the values. 4 into 4 by 3. We are just multiplying it. Minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. 4 into 4, 16 by 3 minus 1. Whole divided by 4 by 4, which will be 1. So this will leave as such. So if we take a common LCM for this, it will be 12, 15, 'So the answer is 67 by 12. What is tan 30? It is 1 by root 3, which is 1 by 2 into root divided by root 3 by 2, correct? So it is 1 by root 3. So we'll derive it as 2 into 1 by root 3, the whole divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. So this will be 2 by root 3 the whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. So we can take the LCM, which will be 4 by 3. So 2 by root 3, when it comes to the numerator, it is 3 by 4. So again we can cancel this. It will be 3 by 2 root 3. From this, what we can derive is 3, we can take it as root 3 into root 3, correct? So root 3 into root 3. When we multiply this, we'll get root 3, root and root will get cancelled and we'll get 3 by 2 root 3. So 1 root 3 and 1 root 3 cancel, which is root 3 by 2. So from the given options, we have the value as sin 60, which is nothing but sin 60 and degrees, and option A is the correct answer. Option A we have as the correct answer. Then we'll moving on to the second one. 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. What is tan 45? It is 1. Simply 1. Correct? 1. 1 plus 1. So 0 by 2. What will be the value? Anything divisible by 0 will be infinity. And if the numerator is going to be 0 and the denominator will have any value, then the answer is 0. So option D is the correct answer if you check in the books. So we'll see second question, third option, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a when a has what value we have asked. First we'll see what is the difference between sin 2a and 2 sin a. For example, let's assume a is 0 degrees. We'll assume, for example. So what is sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. We know that. So sine of 2 into 0 degree, this is 0, which is equal to 2 sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. So again 2 into 0 will be 0. So 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS is proved. This is first example we can take. First option we can take. Second option, what is given is 30 degrees given. So sine of 2 into 30 degrees equals 2 into sine 30. This is the difference between sine 2a and 2 sine a. 2 you have to multiply by the whole sine theta, and in case of sine 2a you have to multiply this 2 by the angle. So this means sine 60 degree is equal to 2 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. 2 by 2 is going to be 1 and sine 60 is going to be root 3 by 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS. And the second option is not valid. Parallelly 45 degrees. Third option what is given is 45 degrees. Sine 2 of 45 degrees is equal to 2 sine A, that is 2 sine 45. So 2 into 1 by root 2. 2 into 1 by root 2 will be 2 by root 2. And again so sine 2 into 45, that is sine 90, which will be 1, and 2 into 1 by root 2, that is 2 by root 2, which is not equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS in this case. And moving on to the third point, we'll go to the fourth point. What option is given is sine 60. For example, in the same case, sine 2 into 60 degrees equal to 2 sine A. Sine of 120 degree is equal to 2 into sine of 60. What is sine 60? Root 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, which is equal to root 2. Not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. So third option is also not valid. So the answer is option A is the correct answer. This is how we'll have to derive. We'll go to the fourth one. What is asked? 2 tan 30. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30 equals, tan 30 is sine by cos. So sine is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3, which is 1 by root 3. Okay. 2 into 1 by root 3. 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. So 2 by root 3 divided by 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 will be 1 by 3. So when we take LCM of this, 3 minus 1 by 3. So 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. And 3 by root 3, we can make it as root 3 into root 3 gives you 3. So you can cancel and the answer is root 3, which means it is tan 60. Because Sine 60 by cos 60, if we take, what is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 by 1. 2 and 2 cancel. It is root 3. I have made a derivation for you here. So the answer is option C. Go to the next one. We'll go to third one. So what is given here is tan a plus b is equal to root 3. That is given. So tan a plus b. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Tan a minus b equals 1 by root 3. So we know what value, what angle gives you root 3 in tan 60 degrees. So tan a plus b, which is equal to 60 degrees, is equal to root 3. Tan 1 by root 3 is 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees. So a minus b is equal to 30 degrees, that is equal to 1 by root 3. We'll form an equation with this 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, a plus b equals 60 degree, a minus b equals 30 degrees. If you cancel these two, plus and minus, plus b and minus b will get cancelled. 2a is equal to 90 degrees. So a equals 45 degree. We have derived a as 45 degree. They have also given the equation that a plus b is, if you see here, a plus b is less than equal to 90 and a is greater than b. So a plus b is less than equal to 90, which is not more than 90. They have given. So a plus b is equal to 60 is the equation here. If you substitute a in this, 45 degrees plus b equals 60 degree. So b is equal to 25 degree. (15 degrees). B is 15 degree. That's what we have derived. We'll move on to the fourth one. First, what is asked is true or false answer. They have asked sine of a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b. For example, let's take this as 30 and 60. We'll assume. Whenever you assume something, you have to write it as, let's assume sine of 30 plus 60. Let's assume sine 30 plus cos 30. So cos 60. This is the equation we have to prove. So let's take LHS. LHS side, sine 30 plus 60 will be sine 90, which is equal to 1. This is LHS. If we go to RHS, right hand side part, sine 30 is going to be 1 by 2 plus sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this equals 1 plus root 3 by 2. LHS is not equal to RHS, so it's false. We'll go to the next one. Value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Sine theta, let's see what it is. Sine of 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. You can see this in the chart. So half is greater than 0. Then sine 45 is 1 by root 2, which is greater than 1 by 2. Then sine 60 is root 3 by 2, which is greater than 1 by root 2. So it keeps on increasing. So what is given is correct. Sine theta increases along with theta. Third one what they have asked is value of cos theta increases with theta. No, this is false. We know that because the value of sine from 0 to 90 will just be the inverse for cos from 90 to 0. That is, cos 0 degree will be 1. It will go on reverse. Cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. Cos 45 will be 1 by root 2. Then cos 60 will be 1 by 2. It keeps on increasing, and cos 90 will be 0. So it is exactly the reverse. So cos theta is not increasing with theta. Cos theta is decreasing with theta. Hence false. What is given is false. Then moving on to the next one. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. It's not true. Sin 0 is equal to cos 0. No. Sin 0 is equal to 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1. So false. Sin theta is not equal to cos theta for all values of theta. In fact, it is the reverse. Going to the fifth one, cot A is not defined for A 0 degrees. It's true, right? Cot A, when A is going to be 0 degrees, let's see tan. What is tan 0? It is sine by cos. Sine 0 by cos 0. Sine 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1, which will give you 0. So tan 0 is 0. Cot 0, if you go, it is 1 by tan we can say, or we can say it is cos by sine. 1 by tan, cos by sine, anything we can say. So if it is going to be 1 by tan, it will be 1 by 0. If you see it as cos by sine, even then it is 1 by 0. Something divisible by 0 is undefined. So divisible by 0 is undefined. That's all. We have completed chapter 8.2. If you have any doubts or any clarification, please do post in the comment. Thank you.